To inspect or replace the drive belt on your RZR Pro R, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Begin by removing the seats. On 4-passenger models, reach behind the headrest and pull on the latch to release the seat back. Remove both seat backs. On 2-passenger models, remove both seats by pulling up on the seat latch lever located under the front edge of the seat. Tilt the seat forward and lift upward to remove. Now, remove the upper close-off panel by turning the 4/4 turn latches. Lift the panel up and pivot out around the seat harness to remove. Next, on 4-passenger models, remove the lower close-off panel by turning the 2/4 turn latches. On 2-passenger models, turn the 2/4 turn latches from the panel and 2 from inside the center console. Now, thoroughly clean all debris from the engine compartment. Continue by loosening the clamps retaining the PVT inlet duct to the outer clutch cover. Then, unclip the hose line from the PVT hose. Now, carefully maneuver the duct out of the vehicle and set aside. Next, remove the 5 clutch cover bolts securing the upper portion of the clutch cover. Then, remove the 5 quick-release fasteners located on the lower part of the clutch cover. Continue by maneuvering the outer clutch cover outward and upward to access the drive belt. Use care when removing the cover. 1/4 turn knobs may get caught on the drive clutch. Now, mark the drive belt direction of rotation so that it can be installed in the same direction. Next, remove the clutch spreader tool from the top of the clutch housing and thread the tool into the driven clutch, turning it clockwise to open the sheaves of the driven clutch. Then, carefully walk the belt off the driven and drive clutch and remove. Now, remove all debris wrapped in and around the PVT system and from the entire clutch air duct passage. Continue by checking for signs of damage to the seals on the transmission and engine. If any seals appear to be damaged, your vehicle requires prompt service. Your Polaris dealer can assist. Inspect the belt for any fraying, hourglassing, loose cords, missing cogs, abrasions, burns, or damage, and replace if needed. If replacing the belt, ensure it is installed the same direction it was removed. Now, loop the belt over the drive clutch and begin to walk it over the driven clutch sheave. Then, remove the clutch spreader tool and return it to the clutch housing cover. Next, rotate the driven clutch clockwise 5 to 7 times to help seat the belt on the sheaves. Then, tighten the 5 quick-release fasteners located on the lower part of the clutch cover. Then, reinstall the 5 clutch cover bolts securing the top of the clutch cover. Then, reinstall the PVT inlet duct to the outer clutch cover and fasten with a clamp. Now, reconnect the hoses to the PVT duct. On 4-passenger models, reinstall the lower rear trim panel. Next, on 4-passenger models, reinstall the lower close-off panel by ensuring the lower retaining tabs are fully engaged. Then, secure the 2/4 turn latches. On 2-passenger models, secure the 2/4 turn latches from the panel and the 2/4 turn latches inside the center console. Next, reinstall the upper close-off panel by pivoting around the seat harness and engaging the lower retaining tabs. Then, secure the 4/4 turn latches. Finally, on 4-passenger models, lift the seat base back and reinstall the seat backs by aligning the bottom stems with their appropriate housing. Once aligned, push the seat headrest back until the latch makes an audible click sound. On 2-passenger models, slide the seat tabs at the front edge onto the seat retainer tubes. Then, press down firmly at the rear of the seat to engage the rear latches. Ensure the seats are latched securely. If the belt was replaced, follow the owner's manual guidelines for belt break-in. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.